actually a song written by a breaker boy. So the breakers were the machines that cracked up the big lumps of coal that they pulled out of the caverns there, broke them up into pieces that were of a size to deliver to your house for heating. And the people that ran those machines were mostly little boys and some retired men in it. There was a breaker boy named Con Carbon in Pennsylvania in the late 1880s, who was a musician and sang lots of coal songs to keep everybody happy on the breaker job. And he wrote this one.
Troubles are our misery. For the Dutchman, he tells me straight that the mines will start full-time on Monday. That's what he tells me at any rate. You're the boss, he says, told him this morning as he was about entering the mine, that the coal was scarce around Billy, and the rumor is work full-time. And it's sad, sure that the news be true. These store mills, the first thing I'll pay. A stuffed parlor suit and the lounge I will buy, and an organ for pretty hooray. The calico shirt I will throw in the dirt, and the silk one won't I get to shine. When we get the advance, we'll put Seamus in pants when the breaker starts up full time. Put me fist in the wash tub. The Chinaman, he'll get the tray, and I'll ne'er pick up coal off the dirt bank, and I'll buy everything ready-made, and we'll dress up our children like fairies, and build up a house big and